Should you care about your credit score? Hello and welcome. My name is Odom. I'm a board certified credit consultant. Today, the topic is, should you care about your credit score? Now, I know a lot of people feel different ways about this. Forget a credit score. I buy everything cash, right? Some people say the credit score is the most important thing you should worry about. Well, let's evaluate the situation together. First of all, we're in an age, guys, where nothing is purchased with just cash. The things you need, such as a house, a car. When you think about making the ultimate purchase, you got to think about how much money you make. If a credit score didn't matter, it will really show what we could afford. So a credit score, guys, is important because you need to use it as leverage. Leverage to purchase, leverage to get funding, leverage to get more money. But of course, a credit score may be the most important thing when it comes to your finances, especially in this age. Again, my name is Roman. I just want to do something really short today, guys. This is the first video on this channel. I am co-founder of Odom Financial. It is a credit consulting company owned by me and my wife. We started the company just last year in 2020 during the pandemic. So as realtors, we're both realtors, we seen a problem for our clients trying to get leased. They wanted to stay in an apartment or they wanted to rent a house. And we've seen a lot of situations where people have an eviction on their credit, or they may have derogatory marks or something holding them back from getting approved. And we were sending them to all type of people, credit consultants from out of town, credit consultants referred to us by our office. So we just figured, hey, how can we solve this problem? How can our clients come to us for a one-stop shop? So we became credit consultants. It is a great thing for us. We learned so much and we've been helping so many different people. So if you have any type of credit issues or you need any type of credit advice, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to click and sign up for a free consultation. That consultation you'll be able to schedule anytime that works for you. What's going to happen is when we see that pop up, let's say it's 12 o'clock noon, right? And you schedule a time for when you get off work, maybe 6:30 works for you, where you're going to get a call from either me or Brittany. And what we're going to do is look at your credit report with you for free. This consultation is just strictly for advice, let you know, what you need to do, or, we will offer our services to you, but we're doing this, guys, for you to at least know how to have a good credit score, how to be credit score ready when it comes to purchasing a house, when it comes to buying a car. Credit scores are very important. If this is your first time on this channel, this is streaming from YouTube. We will share this on a lot of social media platforms, but if you found us on YouTube, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to give you plenty of credit advice. That is our world. We're going to put out plenty of advice, just giving people hope when it comes to their credit score. So see you guys on the other side, and I'll talk to you later.